8000 palabras en inglés. Método de memoria de sonido y forma. Palabras básicas de inglés. Y. Episodio 10.
S, sh, z.
Stress.
Sílaba tónica.
Sit. 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 See. 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 Seer. Sit. See. Sit. Seed. Sick. Sickness. Sift. Sit. Seed. Sick. Sickness. Sift. Sit. Sit.
Sentarse.
Sit down. Sit down.
Siéntate.
Seed. Seed.
Asiento.
Your seed. Your seed.
Tu asiento.
Sick. Sick.
Enfermo, enferma.
Might be sick. Might be sick.
Podría estar enfermo. Podría estar enferma.
Sickness. Sickness.
Enfermedad.
A painful sickness. A painful sickness.
Una enfermedad dolorosa.
Sift. Sift.
Tamizar.
Sift the flour. Sift the flour.
Tamizar la harina.
Sit. Seed. Sick. Sickness. Sift. Sit. Seed. Sick. Sickness. Sift.
S, C, C. Sill, silly, silk, silt, silver, seal, conceal. Sill, silly, silk, silt, silver, seal, conceal. Sill, sill.
Alféizar.
Concrete sill, concrete sill.
Alféizar de concreto.
Silly, silly.
Tonto, tonta.
Silly mistakes, silly mistakes.
Errores tontos.
Silk, silk.
Seda.
Silk dress, silk dress.
Vestido de seda.
Silt, silt.
Limo.
River deposited silt, river deposited silt.
Limo depositado por el río.
Silver, silver.
Plata.
Won a silver medal, won a silver medal.
Ganó una medalla de plata.
Seal, seal.
Sellar.
Seal the envelopes, seal the envelopes.
Sellar los sobres.
Conceal, conceal.
Ocultar.
Conceal true feelings, conceal true feelings.
Ocultar los verdaderos sentimientos.
Sill, silly, silk, silt, silver, seal, conceal. Sill, silly, silk, silt, silver, seal, conceal.
Sit. City. Citizen. Citizenship. Civic. Civil. Civilize. City. Citizen. Citizenship. Civic. Civil. Civilize. City. City.
Ciudad.
Second largest city. Second largest city.
Segunda ciudad más grande.
Citizen. Citizen.
Ciudadano.
U.S. citizen. U.S. citizen.
Ciudadano de Estados Unidos.
Citizenship. Citizenship.
Ciudadanía.
Apply for citizenship. Apply for citizenship.
Solicitar la ciudadanía.
Civic. Civic.
Ciudadanía.
Civic duty. Civic duty.
Solicitar la ciudadanía.
Civil. Civil.
Civil.
A civil action. A civil action.
Una acción civil.
Civilize. Civilize.
Civilizar.
Civilize the natives. Civilize the natives.
Civilizar a los nativos.
City. Citizen. Citizenship. Civic. Civil. Civilize. City. Citizen. Citizenship. Civic. Civil. Civilize.
Se. See. 6. Sister. System. Sees. Disease. 6. Sister. System. Sees. Disease. 6. 6.
6.
6 o'clock. 6 o'clock.
Las 6 en punto.
Sister. Sister.
Hermana.
Sister helped him. Sister helped him.
La hermana lo ayudó.
System. System.
Sistema.
System was down. System was down.
El sistema estaba fuera de servicio.
Cease. Cease.
Cesar.
Cease strike. Cease strike.
Cesar la huelga.
Decease. Decease.
Fallecimiento.
Upon his decease. Upon his decease.
Tras su fallecimiento.
6. Sister. System. Sees. Decease. 6. Sister. System. Sees. Decease.
See. 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 Overseas. Seaman. Seaport. Seaside. See. See. Overseas. Seaman. Seaport. Seaside. See. See.
Ver.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Nos vemos mañana.
See. See.
Mar.
Face the sea. Face the sea.
Enfrentar el mar.
Overseas. Overseas.
Exterior.
Overseas visitors. Overseas visitors.
Visitantes extranjeros.
Seaman. Seaman.
Marinero.
Skilled seaman. Skilled seaman.
Marinero calificado.
Seaport. Seaport.
Puerto marítimo.
Main seaport. Main seaport.
Puerto marítimo principal.
Seaside. Seaside.
Costa.
At the seaside. At the seaside.
En la costa.
Sea. Sea. Overseas. Seaman. Seaport. Seaside. Sea. Sea. Overseas. Seaman. Seaport. Seaside.
Se. See. See. Seed. Seedling. Seek. Season. Seasonal. Scissors. Seed. Seedling. Seek. Season. Seasonal. Scissors. Seed. Seed.
Semilla.
Peck at the seed. Peck at the seed.
Picotear la semilla.
Seedling. Seedling.
Plántula.
Seedling will flourish. Seedling will flourish.
La plántula florecerá.
Seek. Seek.
Buscar.
Seek help. Seek help.
Buscar ayuda.
Season. Season.
Temporada.
Favorite season. Favorite season.
Temporada favorite.
Seasonal. Seasonal.
Estacional.
Seasonal climates. Seasonal climates.
Climas estacionales.
Scissors. Scissors.
Tijeras.
With the scissors. With the scissors.
Con las tijeras.
Seed. Seedling. Seek. Season. Seasonal. Scissors. Seed. Seedling. Seek. Season. Seasonal. Scissors.
See. Senior. Secret. Sequence. Signal. Senior. Secret. Sequence. Signal. Senior. Senior.
Senior.
Senior official. Senior official.
Funcionario senior.
Secret. Secret.
Secreto.
Keep a secret. Keep a secret.
Guardar un secreto.
Sequence. Sequence.
Secuencia.
Temporal sequence. Temporal sequence.
Secuencia temporal.
Signal. Signal.
Señal.
A signal failure. A signal failure.
Una falla de señal.
Senior. Secret. Sequence. Signal. Senior. Secret. Sequence. Signal.
Serial. Serial. Series. Serious. Seriously. Serial. Serial. Series. Serious. Seriously. Cereal. Cereal.
Cereal.
A bowl of cereal. A bowl of cereal.
Un tazón de cereal.
Serial. Serial.
Serie.
Serial reports. Serial reports.
Informes en serie.
Series. Series.
Serie.
Television series. Television series.
Serie de televisión.
Serious. Serious.
Serio.
Serious person. Serious person.
Persona seria.
Seriously. Seriously.
Seriamente.
Seriously damage. Seriously damage.
Daño seriamente.
Serial. Serial. Series. Serious. Seriously. Serial. Serial. Series. Serious. Seriously.
See. 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 Seen. Unseen. Seem. Seem. Seen. Scenery. Scenic. Obscene. Seen. Unseen. Seem. Seem. Seen. Scenery. Scenic. Obscene. Seen. Seen.
Visto.
Haven't seen him. Haven't seen him.
No lo he visto.
Unseen. Unseen.
Invisible.
Unseen audience. Unseen audience.
Audiencia invisible.
Seem. Seem.
Parecer.
Seem at all afraid. Seem at all afraid.
Parecer en absoluto asustado.
Seam. Seam.
Costura.
Ripped along a seam. Ripped along a seam.
Rasgado a lo largo de una costura.
Scene. Scene.
Lugar.
Arrived at the scene. Arrived at the scene.
Llegó al lugar.
Scenery. Scenery.
Paisaje.
Scenery magnificent. Scenery magnificent.
Paisaje magnífico.
Scenic. Scenic.
Pintoresco.
Scenic spots. Scenic spots.
Lugares pintorescos.
Obscene. Obscene.
Obsceno.
Novel was obscene. Novel was obscene.
La novela era obscena.
Seen. Unseen. Seem. Seem. Seen. Scenery. Scenic. Obscene. Seen. Unseen. Seem. Seem. Seen. Scenery. Scenic. Obscene.
Sin. Sink. Sense. Sing. Singer. Single. Singular. Sin. Sink. Sense. Sing. Singer. Single. Singular. Sin. Sin.
Pecado.
The root of sin. The root of sin.
La raíz del pecado.
Sink. Sink.
Hundirse.
Boats began to sink. Boats began to sink.
Los barcos empezaron a hundirse.
Since. Since.
Desde.
Since 1986. Since 1986.
Desde 1986.
Sing. Sing.
Cantar.
Sing a song. Sing a song.
Cantar una canción.
Singer. Singer.
Cantante.
Singer with a band. Singer with a band.
Cantante con una banda.
Single. Single.
Soltero, soltera.
Single mother. Single mother.
Soltero, soltera.
Singular. Singular.
Singular.
Singular and plural. Singular and plural.
Singular y plural.
Sin. Sink. Sense. Sing. Singer. Single. Singular. Sin. Sink. Sense. Sing. Singer. Single. Singular.
Sit. Sit. Simple. Simply. Simplify. Symbol. Symbolize. Symptom. Syndrome. Simple. Simply. Simplify. Symbol. Symbolize. Symptom. Syndrome. Simple. Simple.
Simple.
Is simple to use. Is simple to use.
Es simple de usar.
Simply. Simply.
Simplemente.
Simply furnished. Simply furnished.
Simplemente amueblado.
Simplify. Simplify.
Simplificar.
Simplify the complex. Simplify the complex.
Simplify de complex.
Symbol. Symbol.
Símbolo.
Symbol of good fortune. Symbol of good fortune.
Símbolo de buena fortuna.
Symbolize. Symbolize.
Simbolizar.
Symbolize peace. Symbolize peace.
Simbolizar la paz.
Symptom. Symptom.
Síntoma.
Serious symptom. Serious symptom.
Síntoma grave.
Syndrome. Syndrome.
Síndrome.
Anxiety syndrome. Anxiety syndrome.
Síndrome de ansiedad.
Simple. Simply. Simplify. Symbol. Symbolize. Symptom. Syndrome. Simple. Simply. Simplify. Symbol. Symbolize. Symptom. Syndrome.
se, see, 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 seize, siege, besiege, ceiling, sieve, syrup, seize, siege, besiege, ceiling, sieve, syrup, seize, seize,
aprovechar,
seize the chance, seize the chance,
aprovechar la oportunidad,
siege, siege,
asedio,
a long siege, a long siege,
un largo asedio,
besiege, besiege,
asediar,
was besieged by the press, was besieged by the press,
fue asediado por la prensa,
ceiling, ceiling,
techo,
low ceiling, low ceiling,
techo bajo,
sieve, sieve,
tamiz,
an ordinary sieve, an ordinary sieve,
un tamiz común,
syrup, syrup,
jarabe,
cough syrup, cough syrup,
jarabe para la tos,
seize, siege, besiege, ceiling, sieve, syrup, seize, siege, besiege, ceiling, sieve, syrup,
See. Consist. Consistent. Conceive. Concede. Concede. Consist. Consistent. Conceive. Concede. Concede. Consist. Consist.
consistir,
Food consist. Food consist.
la comida consiste,
Consistent. Consistent.
coherente,
Parents to be consistent. Parents to be consistent.
los padres deben ser coherentes,
Conceive. Conceive.
concebir,
Could not conceive. Could not conceive.
no podía concebir,
Concede. Concede.
vanidad,
Confidence without concede. Confidence without concede.
confianza sin vanidad,
Concede. Concede.
conceder,
Concede defeat. Concede defeat.
conceder la derrota,
Consist. Consistent. Conceive. Concede. Concede. Consist. Consistent. Conceive. Concede. Concede.
see, see, deceit, deceive, deceitful, receive, receiver, receipt, recede, deceit, deceive, deceitful, receive, receiver, receipt, recede, deceit, deceit,
engaño,
lies and deceit, lies and deceit,
mentiras y diagonal engaño,
deceive, deceive,
engañar,
deceive me, deceive me,
engañarme,
deceitful, deceitful,
engañoso,
deceitful hearts, deceitful hearts,
corazones engañosos,
receive, receive,
recibir,
receive a bill, receive a bill,
recibir una facture,
receiver, receiver,
receptor,
receiver code, receiver code,
código de receptor,
receipt, receipt,
recibo,
have a receipt, have a receipt,
tener un recibo,
recede, recede,
retroceder,
illness began to recede, illness began to recede,
la enfermedad comenzó a retroceder,
deceit, deceive, deceitful, receive, receiver, receipt, recede, deceit, deceive, deceitful, receive, receiver, receipt, recede.
Sit. Assist. Assistance. Assistant. Insist. Insistent. Persist. Persistent. Persistence. Assist. Assistance. Assistant. Insist. Insistent. Persist. Persistent. Persistence. Assist. Assist.
Ayudar.
Assist the weak. Assist the weak.
Ayudar a los débiles.
Assistance. Assistance.
Asistencia.
Without assistance. Without assistance.
Sin asistencia.
Assistant. Assistant.
Asistente.
Teaching assistant. Teaching assistant.
Asistente de enseñanza.
Insist. Insist.
Insiste.
Insist on playing. Insist on playing.
Insistir en jugar.
Insistent. Insistent.
Insistente.
She was insistent. She was insistent.
Ella estaba insistente.
Persist. Persist.
Persistir.
Persist with its efforts. Persist with its efforts.
Persistir en sus esfuerzos.
Persistent. Persistent.
Persistente.
Had a persistent cough. Had a persistent cough.
Tenía una tos persistente.
Persistence. Persistence.
Persistencia.
Courage and persistence. Courage and persistence.
Coraje y persistencia.
Assist. Assistance. Assistant. Insist. Insistent. Persist. Persistent. Persistence. Assist. Assistance. Assistant. Insist. Insistent. Persist. Persistent. Persistence.
See. 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 Proceed. Proceeding. Procedure. Precede. Preceding. Perceive. Proceed. Proceeding. Procedure. Precede. Preceding. Perceive. Proceed. Proceed.
Proceder.
Reading proceed. Reading proceed.
Proceder con la lectura.
Proceeding. Proceeding.
Proceder.
Is proceeding slowly. Is proceeding slowly.
Avanzando lentamente.
Procedure. Procedure.
Procedimiento.
Correct procedure. Correct procedure.
Procedimiento correcto.
Precede. Precede.
Precede.
She precede him. She precede him.
Ella lo precede.
Preceding. Preceding.
Precedente.
Preceding chapter. Preceding chapter.
Capítulo precedente.
Perceive. Perceive.
Percibir.
Perceive the world. Perceive the world.
Percibir el mundo.
Proceed. Proceeding. Procedure. Precede. Preceding. Perceive. Proceed. Proceeding. Procedure. Precede. Preceding. Perceive.
See. See. Seer. Foresee. Foreseen. Exceed. Succeed. Sincere. Sincerely. Foresee. Foreseen. Exceed. Succeed. Sincere. Sincerely. Foresee. Foresee.
Prever.
Foresee any problems. Foresee any problems.
Prever cualquier problema.
Foreseen. Foreseen.
Previsto.
He had foreseen. He had foreseen.
Él lo había previsto.
Exceed. Exceed.
Exceder.
Exceed overdraft limit. Exceed overdraft limit.
Exceder el límite de sobregiro.
Succeed. Succeed.
Tener éxito.
Plan could succeed. Plan could succeed.
El plan podría tener éxito.
Sincere. Sincere.
Sincere.
Seemed sincere enough. Seemed sincere enough.
Parecía lo suficientemente sincere.
Sincerely. Sincerely.
Sinceramente.
Said sincerely. Said sincerely.
Dijo sinceramente.
Foresee. Foreseen. Exceed. Succeed. Sincere. Sincerely. Foresee. Foreseen. Exceed. Succeed. Sincere. Sincerely. See. See. Sick. Seek. Sit. Seed. See. See. Sick. Seek. Sit. Seed. See. See.
Ver.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Te veo mañana.
See. See.
Mar.
Face the sea. Face the sea.
Mirar hacia el mar.
Sick. Sick.
Enfermo.
Might be sick. Might be sick.
Podría estar enfermo.
Seek. Seek.
Buscar.
Seek help. Seek help.
Buscar ayuda.
Sit. Sit.
Sentarse.
Sit down. Sit down.
Siéntate.
Seed. Seed.
Asiento.
Your seed. Your seed.
Tu asiento.
See. See. Sick. Seek. Sit. Seed. See. See. Sick. Seek. Sit. Seed.
Sill. Seal. Cereal. Cereal. Simple. Symbol. Sill. Seal. Cereal. Cereal. Simple. Symbol. Sill. Sill.
Alféizar.
Concrete sill. Concrete sill.
Alféizar de concreto.
Seal. Seal.
Sellar.
Seal the envelopes. Seal the envelopes.
Sellar los sobres.
Cereal. Cereal.
Cereal.
A bowl of cereal. A bowl of cereal.
Un tazón de cereal.
Cereal. Cereal.
Serie.
Serial reports. Serial reports.
Informes en serie.
Simple. Simple.
Simple.
Is simple to use. Is simple to use.
Es simple de usar.
Symbol. Symbol.
Símbolo.
Symbol of good fortune. Symbol of good fortune.
Símbolo de buena fortuna.
Sill. Seal. Cereal. Cereal. Simple. Symbol. Sill. Seal. Cereal. Cereal. Simple. Symbol.
Stress.
Sílaba tónica.
Ship. Ship. Sheep. Sheep. Shear. 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 She. She. Sheep. She. Sheet. Sheep. Ship. Shipment. Shipwreck. She. Sheet. sheep, ship, shipment, shipwreck, she,
ella,
she doesn't work, she doesn't work,
ella no trabaja,
sheet,
sábana,
sheet has a tear, sheet has a tear,
la sábana tiene una rasgadura,
sheep,
ovejas,
sheep were grazing, sheep were grazing,
las ovejas estaban pastando,
ship,
barco,
ship appeared,
apareció un barco,
shipment,
envío,
partial shipment,
envío parcial,
shipwreck,
naufragio,
survivor of a shipwreck,
superviviente de un naufragio,
sheet, sheep, ship, shipment, shipwreck, sheet, sheep, ship, shipment, shipwreck,
She, shear, shift, shiver, machine, machinery, shear, cashier, shift, shiver, machine, machinery, shear, cashier, shift,
cambiar,
shift the emphasis away,
cambiar el énfasis,
shiver,
temblar,
shiver of excitement,
temblor de emoción,
machine,
máquina,
broken machine,
máquina rota,
machinery,
maquinaria,
machinery in motion,
maquinaria en movimiento,
shear,
esquilar,
shear sheep,
esquilar ovejas,
shear,
puro,
sheer vanity,
vanidad pura,
cashier,
cajero,
pay the cashier,
pagar al cajero,
shift, shiver, machine, machinery, shear, cashier, shift, shiver, machine, machinery, shear, cashier,
stress,
sílaba tónica,
zip, z, zip, zinc, zigzag, zip, zinc, zigzag, zip,
cremallera,
pulled the zip of jacket,
jaló la cremallera de la chaqueta, código postal,
zip code,
código postal, comprimió,
zip the files,
comprimió los archivos,
zinc,
zinc,
zinc is used to,
el zinc se utiliza para,
zigzag,
zigzag,
zigzag of road,
zigzag del camino,
zip, zinc, zigzag, zip, zinc, zigzag,
zip, z, zero, zeal, disease, museum, 0. Zeal. Disease. Museum. 0. 0.
0.
Zero tolerance. Zero tolerance.
Tolerancia 0.
Zeal. Zeal.
Entusiasmo.
Work with big zeal. Work with big zeal.
Trabajar con gran entusiasmo.
Disease. Disease.
Enfermedad.
Disease spreads easily. Disease spreads easily.
La enfermedad se propaga fácilmente.
Museum. Museum.
Museo.
Museum is closed. Museum is closed.
El museo está cerrado.
0. Zeal. Disease. Museum. 0. Zeal. Disease. Museum.
Hemos lanzado videos sobre el método de memorización de palabras en inglés con 8000 palabras. En el futuro, continuaremos lanzando nuevos videos sobre pronunciación de letras en inglés, lectura fluida, entonación, oraciones gramaticales, categorización de situaciones y categorización profesional. Los invitamos a seguir suscribiéndose y viendo nuestros videos. Gracias.